Hello creative makers, this is Terhi from TPArt. Welcome back to my tranquil paper crafting channel, and let's make some Halloween cards. I have here black card bases and I will use some of my Halloween series papers, different collections, Cauldron Bubble, Post Raven and Ancient Ambience papers. And the first thing I wanted to tell you is that if you have purchased this Cauldron Bubble series, I have enhanced this print. So if you want to have this renewed page 2 for free because you have already purchased the kit, just please go to your purchases and download it again, and you will also receive this renewed page. So another thing, I have used here this page and printed it on my digital tea and coffee dyed page, and this is the result. Of course you can choose whatever darker background that you like, something that is quite not too busy, and then you can print this on it and it will look different if you don't like to use this white one. That was my idea first when I designed this sheet, and this is what I'm going to use. Print it on tea and coffee dyed paper, quite grungy with these overlapped pages and lots of coffee puddles dried here. So I have already cut these Raven journal cards, and I have used the deckle edged scissors to create this grungy edge, and now I'm going to ink all the edges of these items. There. Let's try it and measure. Then let's find a right label for this one. And something for the background. For example, this spooky text. Ink the edges. It seems that this will fit very well in this, on these smaller blank labels. We could use 3D sticker tapes to give it some 3D effect. There. Yes, that looks good. And now I will cut it. I think some orange would be nice, and creating some layer too. So here's some orange cardstock, and let's glue this first and then cut the edges. We can, at this point, we can still determine if we're going to cut it straight lines or deckled edged. We can see how it looks like. Always double check before you cut. I've learned that the hard way. So there's not much room this way vertically, and I think I'm going to cut it with that deckled edged scissors, those scissors. Yes, let's try that. I will cut quite close to the edge. Ink the edges. It fits. Now I'm going to add 3D sticker tape to behind this cardstock too. And I like to make my cards so that they can stand here with their own feet. There, and lastly this bit. And maybe use the 3D sticker tape here too. I think it will look nicer if we use that 3D effect in almost each of these layers. And now to decide the right place for the text. In the center, here maybe, or here, or over the edge, maybe not. Here, let's put it here. That's it, one Halloween card ready. I think it's quite nice and spooky with all those ravens lurking. I hope you like it too. Thanks, see you soon, bye bye.